This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Tiffany Bowling. Diamond in the rough, 3-bedroom home on 3 acres. Potential abounds in this fixer-upper. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is waiting for your personal touch. With some TLC, this property can be transformed into a stunning retreat. Features: 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 needs repair. Creek running alongside and behind the property. Sitting on 3 acres of land. Old water well on property. Work shed on concrete slab. Cellar with potential, needs new roof. Opportunities: update and repair the home to make it shine. Tear down or rebuild the older home on the property. Restore the cellar and make it functional. Utilize the work shed for hobbies or storage. A nature lover's paradise. Enjoy the peaceful sounds of the creek. Explore the surrounding woods and wildlife. Relax in the serene atmosphere of your own private retreat. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of country heaven. For more information, review the details below or contact Tiffany Bowling at 865-693-1111.